Bonjour à tous, ladies and gentlemen of the media, welcome to our booth. It's a real honor for me to be here today and to host the BYD press conference. Of course, you are all looking forward to learning more about BYD and to learn more about this vehicle right here, hidden. In a few minutes, you will discover what's behind. So, without further ado, please give a warm welcome to the BYD Executive Vice President, Mrs. Stella Lee.
Bonjour à tous. Welcome. It's so wonderful to see all of you here. As you know, BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. Now we're so excited and proud because we are building even bigger dreams. As the world's leading new energy technology company, over the past 30 years, we have been always believed in using innovation to make technology accessible, changing the world by building a sustainable future. As everybody knows, our mission is to cool the Earth by 1 Celsius degree. We are setting new records now as we do so. Over the first 8 months of this year, our global market share of NEVs hits 23%. Almost 1/4 of all new NEVs sold in the planet was a BYD. Incredible. As the success keep on coming, last month we officially announced that 9 million NEV cars rolling out from the production line. It took us 13 years from 0 to the first 1 million NEVs. But from 7 million to 9 million took us only 6 months. Look at this fast-growing chat. The auto industry is changing. The first half of the game has been about electrification, an area where BYD is incredibly strong. The second half of the game is about intelligence. And this is where our expertise as an engineering company gives us an advantage. We have the largest R&D team in the world with more than 102,000 engineers, 11 R&D institutes across the globe. Last year alone, we spent more than $5 billion in R&D investment, and we produce more than 32 patents per working days. Innovation is our DNA. Who else can create this breakthrough technology in the safest blade batteries? E-Platform 3.0 with ultra-rigid cell-to-body construction. Super DM hybrid that can take you more than 1,000 kilometers in one charge and one full fuel tank. The decisive suspension system that make our car can dance and jump. And the Evo platform that allows incredible Yang1 U8, which is there, to make the tank turn and even drive and swimming in the waters. And the DMO, a whole new level of off-road ability. At the same time, BYD is focused on globalization. We become a globalized company. We are now building all the facilities globalized. Everybody knows we just officially announced ramp up our facility in Thailand. Next year, we'll start making the cars in Brazil. And now we are also building a facility in Hungary, which this will be ready to start production by end of 2025. 3 more new facilities will be announced in next several months. But today, we're here to see an exciting new model that inspires by the stylish design, cutting-edge technology, and dynamic performance. Welcome, SEALION 7.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Michael Shu, Managing Director of BYD Europe, on stage.
Thank you, Stella. Merci beaucoup. Hello, everyone. This is our second time to be here in Paris Auto Show. 2 years ago, BYD made our first brand debut in Europe in Paris. Never ever 3 pure electrical models been launched in one time. That shows BYD's respect to the European market and the European customers. A lot of customers feedback BYD, and they like high-performance SUV. Today, we bring the SEALION 7, a real high-performance electrical SUV in Paris. How can we make the high performance as electrical SUV? The electrical model is the core technology. For an electrical car, that is the performance crucial. The motor RPM showcase its efficiency and power, directly impact the vehicle overall performance, incorporating advanced technology such as dual V-shaped mechanism at 92% ultra-high slot fill rate with flat wire widening and 0.25 millimeter ultra-thin silicon sheet. That, among others, that is very technology, right? And anyway, the engineer made an incredible model, which is a speed of 23,000 RPM, just 400 revolution in one just a second. The world's fastest electrical model mass production. BYD is the only company can achieve such a high speed. SEALION 7 is equipped with the world's highest speed electrical model. This makes the car reach 215 kilometers an hour. This takes the platform, E-Platform 3.0, to a new level. The platform also has an advanced C2B, cell-to-body technology installation, which can enhance the chassis stiffness over 40,000 Newton-meter per degree. This driving experience is so good. Normally, you pay over 100,000 euro to get that driving pleasure. But now, with SEALION 7, this is much more accessible. We also expand the platform battery capacity up to 91.3 kilowatt hour. With such a big battery, the car can easily take over 500 kilometers range. You might think it needs more time to charge it. Actually, the engineer took the charging power up to 230 kilowatt. From 10 to 18%, you need only 24 minutes, just a short time break or a cup of coffee. You can charge the car. Additionally, BYD's LFP battery, lithium iron phosphate battery, make the car become cobalt-free, which is super important for our environment. High performance and environment friendly. At the same time, that is BYD is the only company in the world can make it happen. So, Please stay tuned for our European and French launch coming soon for SEALION 7. That will happen in November. At BYD, we are not considering the customer take the BEV, but also we provide the technology solution for different scenarios. DMI, which is a better kind of PHEV with longer range and much less power consumption, is coming. Over 4 million BYD DMI cars already on the road. Our first DMI car in Europe, CLU DMI, is an efficient, practical family SUV with an electrical driving experience and the flexibility of more than 1,000 kilometers of range. Over 1 million customers already ride the CLU DMI worldwide. The CLU DMI just launched in France a few months ago, attracting huge interest from customers. To share more about it and the wider BYD story in France, please welcome our Deputy Country Manager, Emmanuel Britt. Thank you so much.
Merci Michael. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue chez BYD France. BYD en France, c'est tout d'abord une volonté d'offrir à nos clients des modèles exceptionnels, adaptés à tous les styles de vie et alliant technologie, design et un rapport qualité-prix inégalé. C'est aussi un réseau de distribution réputé et offrant un professionnalisme et une expertise de l'électromobilité unique. Enfin, et à tous les niveaux, c'est une relation humaine de proximité, avec un engagement sans faille de toutes nos équipes pour apporter à nos clients un service de qualité irréprochable. Et c'est cette proximité que nous souhaitons avoir avec nos clients en ayant des concessions sur tout le territoire. Avec 33 sites aujourd'hui, nous aurons plus de 100 points de vente d'ici fin 2025. Et je souhaiterais ici personnellement remercier les groupes de distribution français et internationaux qui ont choisi BYD et qui représentent aujourd'hui fièrement notre marque à Paris, mais aussi dans toute la France. Alors je pense bien évidemment au groupe Buy My Car, Émile Frey, Bodmer, Crolly, Harmony, Sipa, Morin, Chopard, BMS, GBH et bien d'autres encore, qui nous ont rejoints ou qui vont le faire prochainement. Enfin, je conclurai cette conférence en vous présentant notre gamme de 8 modèles couvrant la majorité des segments et qui sont déjà aujourd'hui disponibles en France. Mais surtout, notre modèle phare, qui est en train de révolutionner le marché, avec sa technologie hybride rechargeable innovante, apportant des performances remarquables et une consommation limitée, donnant une autonomie allant jusqu'à 1080 km. Vous l'avez compris, c'est le nouveau BYD CLU DMI. De plus, son équipement de série est assez incroyable. Il inclut le cuir vegan, le toit ouvrant panoramique, le double chargeur sans fil pour smartphone, l'affichage tête haute, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, BYD App, mais aussi le régulateur de vitesse adaptatif, ainsi que des aides à la conduite de niveau 2. Mais le plus enthousiasmant, c'est probablement son prix, puisqu'il est jusqu'à fin octobre disponible au prix de 37 900 €. Aussi, en ce moment de fête, nous vous proposons à un prix encore plus attractif, 35 990 €. Je ne peux donc que vous inciter à venir l'essayer, le découvrir sur ce stand, l'essayer dans nos centres d'essai ou dans nos concessions. Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes BYD. Nous sommes en France et nous allons donner vie à vos rêves. Merci beaucoup.